In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview, download, or print your 2025 tax return in TurboTax. If you need a copy of your return for your records, to review the information before filing, or to share it with a tax professional, TurboTax gives you a quick way to view the form directly from inside your account. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can access a PDF version of your 2025 return with confidence. Start by opening your 2025 return in TurboTax. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and that you've selected the 2025 tax return you want to view. If you have more than one return or account, take a moment to confirm you're in the right place before moving on. That can help avoid confusion, especially if you've worked on multiple tax years. Once your 2025 return is open, look for the Tax Tools menu. This is usually available in the left side navigation area when you're inside your return. Click Tax Tools and then select Tools. This opens a smaller menu with additional options related to your return. From there, choose Preview My 1040. This option lets you open a preview of your tax return as a PDF, so you can review the actual form layout instead of just the interview screens. This is especially helpful if you want to double-check figures, verify reported income, or simply keep a clean copy for your records. When the PDF copy is displayed, you can either download it or print it depending on what you need. If you want to save it for later, use the download option in your browser or PDF viewer and store it in a secure location on your device. If you prefer a paper copy, select the print option and choose your printer settings before printing. For best results, it's a good idea to make sure the entire document is included and that the pages are printing clearly. If the preview doesn't appear right away, give it a few seconds to load. You may also want to make sure your browser allows pop-ups or PDF previews, since that can sometimes affect whether the document opens properly. That's all it takes to preview, download, or print your 2025 tax return in TurboTax. Once you know where the Tax Tools menu is, this process becomes quick and easy anytime you need a copy of your return.